Hello guys, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Tech with Rakesh. Today in this video, we will know about VLOOKUP of Excel sheet. So how VLOOKUP works in Excel sheet. So guys, here I will take an Excel file. I will open it. Let's open. So here already some data has been written here. So in this data, this column is item code, this column is item name, and this column is price. So suppose that these data are n number of data. So in n number of data, some item code has been written here and I want to know its item name and its price. So I will apply here VLOOKUP to know its item name and its price. So I want to know this item code, its name. So here I will apply VLOOKUP. Just press here equals to. So I will maximize for better visibility. Right here VLOOKUP. Just click on this. Guys, here you will see that four things are written here: lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. Lookup value is that value about which you want to know the information. So I want to know the information about this item code, means its item name I want to know. So here I will select this item code and I will separate it with comma. Then it's asking about table array. So table array is our main table. So here I will select all the table. So I selected here. Again separate it with comma. Then it will ask for you column index number. So what is column index number? So you have to see that, guys, here are in main table there are three columns, B, C and D. One column is item code, second column is item name, and third column is price. So what about you wants to know? So I wants to know about item name. So here item name is in second column. So here I will write 2 simply, and again I will separate it with comma. Then it will ask to you what type of match you want. Either you want exact match or appropriate match. So here I will get exact match. So I have to write here 0. If I want to appropriate match, then I have to write 1. So 0 is for false and 1 is for true. Just I will close the loop and I will press enter. Guys, here you will see that this item code name is milk. So this is matched with this table array. Simply you have to find out the item name of this all item code. So I will drag it simply and I will find out all the item names of these all item codes. So it is very easier. So here again I will apply for price. Same process will be done here also. Press equals to, then write VLOOK, then click on VLOOKUP. Then you have to select lookup value for this item code. I want to know about its price. Again table array. So table array, this is my table array. Again separate it with comma. Column index number. So price is written here in third column. I will write here third column. Again separate it with comma. Then it will ask about to you exact or appropriate. So here I will take 0 for exact match and I will close and then press enter. So guys, here you will see that its price is 340, and simply I will drag for all the price of all item codes. Know about the item name and its information. So this item name is written here in second column. So when you will apply VLOOKUP for second column, so it will not be accepted by Excel. So here your information value which you want to know its information, it should be in first column. So suppose that I want to know the information about guava. So here I will apply VLOOKUP. I will write VLOOKUP, then press enter on VLOOKUP. Here we will ask lookup value. So I will press guava, select guava, then separate it with comma. Table array. So when you will go for table array, so you have to make item code as a first column. So here item code and price just I will select here, because when you will select item code, then it will give an error. So which information or which data I wants to know the information, that data should be in first column. So here I have selected only 2 column. Out of these 2 column, my guava means item name is in first column. So here separate with comma, then again column index number. So here it will be asked to you column index number. So out of these 2 columns, your price is in second column. So here I will write 2, again separate with comma, then lookup range. So I want exact value, so I will write here 0, then close the loop, press enter. So here I will get price column. So suppose simply when you will go for its total price, I selected here quantity 2, and here I will calculate its total price. Just price equals to, then multiply price into quantity, then equals to. Here when you will change its item name, your price automatically will change. Suppose here I am taking this mango value, so I will copy and I will paste here. So here you will see that automatically price of mango has been changed. So mango's price is 212, and when you are going to buy its 2 kg, then its total price is 424. So guys, this type VLOOKUP works in Excel sheet. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and share the video.